How to see blocked contacts in WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to view your blocked contacts list in WhatsApp on iOS and Android. Right now, I'm using iOS device. However, if you're using any Android device, you can follow similar steps because steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to open your WhatsApp application and then you're going to click on settings at the bottom right. So once you click on settings, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to find the option that says privacy. So just click on privacy. Once you click on privacy, you're going to scroll down till you find the option that says blocked. So simply click on it. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the blocked contacts on your WhatsApp. You can also click on edit here at the top right, and you can remove any of the person from this block list by clicking on this red circle over here. You'll be able to see an option that says unblock, and you can simply unblock them. So that is basically how you can see blocked contacts in WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.